Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping material. Pick firm mums with closed buds so they open later. Once selected, strip leaves below the waterline and cut stems on a 45 degrees angle to increase uptake. Make sure your shears are clean to prevent bacteria. Next, prepare a bowl of water with floral preservative at the labeled dose and a dedicated workspace with paper towels. These quick steps set hydration and sterility so your assembly won't fail as you move forward. You now build the core. Gather 3 to 5 stems with mixed bud sizes so the arrangement has depth. Once grouped, wrap floral tape tightly 1 inch below the blooms, stretching slightly to bond. If any stem is floppy, insert a length of floral wire along the stem and tape over it. This prevents droop. Then layer in filler greens for contrast and to separate blooms, keeping roughly 1/2 inch spacing to allow airflow. This avoids rot and gives shape. Finish by trimming stems evenly, making the final cut at 45 degrees so they drink well. Secure the base with an extra wrap of tape, then conceal with ribbon or attach to a corsage backing using waterproof glue or florist pins. Once done, place the mum in fresh preservative solution if it's a bouquet, or refrigerate for corsages. If a bloom wilts, immediately recut stems underwater, change the water, and look for bruised stems. Correcting these.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.